How can your course stand out in a saturated market? If you ever caught yourself contemplating on whether it is the right time or the right choice for you to make a course, considering that there's so much competition, then this video is going to help you realize that actually there is no such thing really as a market that is too saturated. So today I'm going to break down 3 helpful tips that will whip you into a course creation mode. Hi, I'm Sas from Uteach, and we make videos all about e-learning, course creation, digital entrepreneurship, and we also help people with e-learning and ways on how they can make money by selling courses online. So if that is something you are interested in, then please do consider subscribing, as we upload almost every single day, but mostly Wednesdays and Fridays. You can also check out our video course hosting platform, uteach.io, which of course is listed in the description box down below. So without further ado, here are 3 major tips that you should definitely consider if you still think that the market is too saturated in order for you to sell a successful course. The first thing that you can focus on that almost always guarantees leads and conversions is focusing on your backstory, aka your own personal transformation, the changes that you have done for yourself. A very wise digital entrepreneur who we can quote, Vanessa Lau, who is actually very popular on YouTube, said it brilliantly. Don't teach what you've learned, teach what you've done. Your editing style, poster design, and impressive account is all great, but what truly draws a potential client in is your magical secret sauce. So basically your own personal story. People worship testimonials by brand owners and influencers themselves, which then of course creates a deeper connection between the student and you, the course creator. So make sure you take the time to fully explain what your personal story is on why you created this specific course, which will definitely help you stand out from the massive crowd. The second major hack or tip that we want to talk about today in order to cultivate a strong following and stand out from the crowd is fixing a specific problem that your potential customers always seem to have issues around and can never really get the answers to from other creators who are also relative in the industry that you are aiming to grow in. I'm sure you've witnessed this maybe for years and years or even multiple times, that many followers in a specific category constantly ask the same question over and over again. And for some reason, the creator neglects to address that specific issue. So basically they neglect to provide a solution to their problem. If 9 people, let's say, reply back to their audience by providing some kind of generic response by saying, well, that's just how it is, or, you have to deal with it, we can't change that, then you need to be the 10th person, or basically the hero, and come up with a solution that you think can absolutely be a game changer for your audience. They most likely can't come up with a solution if they're constantly asking the same question over and over again. So when they see that you're actually that one person who is answering their question, you're paying attention to their problems, you're not just winging it, you're not saying, hey, you know what, that's all we can do, sorry. They are going to gain an incredible amount of trust and most likely want to purchase from you in the nearest future. So instead of being the naysayer, be the resolver. I like that word. Resolver. And the very last thing I like to mention, which is a bit self-explanatory and basic, but for some reason it still gets overlooked and many people actually don't know the importance of this, is that you must provide free and of course valuable content to your audience. They can be your followers, your viewers, your subscribers, people who are just subscribed to your newsletter, it doesn't matter. It can even be somebody who has stumbled upon your platform for the first time. And no, not every course creator, teacher, or educator actually provides free content that has to do with their course. They just market themselves as someone who is a leader in the industry, and then all they do is just sell, 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 or you'll see so many automated ads that of course basically leads you to purchasing their course. And no, not every course creator, teacher, or educator actually publishes free content. In order to create an impact, build a meaningful community, which then leads to becoming a figure of authority in your industry. So that is definitely a major and very cool and important way to stand out from the crowd, is by giving free advice, free content to your audience. And this way you will also be nourishing them. You'll be strengthening the connection, the trust between you and your future students, so that when the time comes to purchasing your course, they'll think this person has already given so much valuable advice and I'm willing and ready to learn so much more by paying for it. These were just a few very important things to consider when it does come to becoming a course creator in the industry, but we do dive deeper in our YouTube channel, so please do consider subscribing, because we do cover many other topics such as how to price your course, why you should actually sell a course, what are the benefits, do you need a large audience or not, so on and so forth, and many other important topics. And if you do already have a course but you're still searching for the best video hosting platform, then please do consider checking out our website, www.uteach.io, and you can even start a 14-day free trial. I'm Sas from Uteach. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.